standardizing email responses with templates, and got an OIT file to install. These preserve formatted email layouts for repeated use in Outlook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using and managing these Outlook item template files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor OIT corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. An OIT file is a template created by Microsoft Outlook that stores a pre-formatted layout for various Outlook items such as emails, appointments, or contacts. Users create these files to quickly generate new items with consistent formatting, boilerplate text, and recipients, streamlining repetitive communication tasks. The OIT format is a specialized variant of the MSG file structure, which is a binary compound file binary format, CFBF. This container-like design allows it to store complex data, including rich text formatting, attachments, and MAPI properties, ensuring all template elements are preserved with high fidelity within a single file. Commonly, OIT files use Microsoft Outlook developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows doesn't support full rendering of email content, so dedicated mail tools are necessary. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your OIT file and select Open With. Check for Microsoft Outlook first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If the OIT file is still giving you trouble, relax. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the OIT format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, opening in Outlook. Double-click the OIT file to open it as a new email message in Outlook, ready for customization and sending. The template content appears in the Compose window where you fill in specific recipient details and adjust content as needed. The original OIT file remains unchanged on disk, available for repeated use. Next, saving templates. Compose a message in Outlook and use File then Save, as selecting Outlook template OFT format, which is the modern equivalent. While OIT was used in older Outlook versions, OFT is the current standard. Both formats provide similar functionality, with OFT offering better compatibility with current Outlook desktop and web clients. Finally, managing template library. Organize OIT and OFT files in a dedicated templates folder accessible to your team through shared network locations or cloud storage. For broader template management, consider Outlook Quick Parts or third-party email template tools that provide better organization searching and version control than file-based templates. Templates ensure consistent professional communication across your organization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.